Hi, I'm Alyssa Ron, and I am a master trainer for Boxmania. I was certified about 2 years ago now, and this was the first format that I ever taught in a group fitness atmosphere, actually that I've ever done at all. Before taking this certification, I was never really a group fitness minded person. I never went to group fitness classes. I was kind of iffy on whether I wanted to actually be a group fitness instructor, but I really liked the idea of kickboxing and really enjoyed doing that for a workout, and I heard about Boxmania from one of the group fitness instructors at the gym, and so I looked into it and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to this training and see what it's all about. Even if I don't instruct this class, it's something I can use for myself. So at that time, I was on my fitness journey, and I was at the beginning of it really, and I was 160 pounds at that time when I went to this training, and at this training I fell in love with it, and I started teaching Boxmania, and I started doing the class myself probably 3 times a week. Since then I've lost 20 pounds, and I'm down to 140, and I just love Boxmania. Everyone that I teach it to falls in love with it. At first they're kind of nervous, and they're like, oh, this is so different, I'm not going to be good at it. What if I'm not good? What if, I look crazy while I'm doing it? And, so talking to people, and I get them into this class and they fall in love with it. I've had so many people say to me, Alyssa, I am so happy that I took this class. I am so happy that this was introduced to me, because I actually love working out now. This is a class I can look forward to. It's something I want to come to. I don't dread coming to the gym. I want to be here. I want to do Boxmania, and I love the results I get. When I first started this, like I said, I was 160 pounds. Now I'm 140, and I have muscles that I never knew I had before. Like the serratus anterior, that's right on your ribs. It shows up, they almost look like fingers going on your ribs. I never even knew I had those muscles before until I started doing this class. So Boxmania is just amazing. I love teaching it. I love doing it. Everyone I teach it to loves it. So if you're thinking about taking a class or even becoming an instructor, I definitely recommend it. It is one of the greatest formats I have ever done.